What's up, guys? I want to talk today about something that is super important, and if you're a smart garage business owner, you probably already know about this coverage. I'm talking, of course, about garage business income coverage. Now, this is a coverage that can save you and your business if something happens, but not by just paying directly for the accident. So let's get more into what business income insurance is really all about and make sure that you are one of the smartest guys in the room. Okay, so I've said it's great, but what does it actually do? So business income insurance works kind of like this. You have a claim, let's say you have a fire, and that fire damages your property. Your normal insurance policy is going to go ahead and help to repair the damage, but you've got to shut down your business while the repairs are being made. So this is where business income comes in. Business income insurance helps to pay your bills and keep you in business while you're shut down and you can't operate normally. So that means that you're not making money because you're not able to perform your normal tasks as a business. But you still got expenses. You still have to pay your employees. You still have to pay your vendors. You still have to pay for your lease if you have a lease. All the things that you normally have to pay for, you still have to pay even if you're shut down. Business income coverage is like a safety net that lays under the rest of your insurance policy, right? Under your regular garage policy, and catches you and keeps you in business if you have to shut down after something terrible has happened. Now, there are two kinds of business income coverages. Now, the first is business income coverage with extra expenses. Now, this is going to help protect you if you have to have certain expenses in order to help you stay in business, right? So if people think your business is shut down and you have to take out an ad or something saying, hey guys, we're still here, we're gonna reopen on this date, that will be included in that extra expenses part of your business income coverage. Now, of course, the second part, or the second kind of business income coverage, is business income without extra expenses. And that should be pretty self-explanatory, but just in case, it is business income without the extra, so it will not pay if you have to pay for something extra to go along with whatever you're paying for in the first place. So I hope that clears that up. There are two kinds. There's with extra expenses and without extra expenses. Make sense? All right, now I know exactly what you guys are saying. You're saying, okay, number one, I should already have this. And then number two, what the heck does it cost? The good news is you probably do already have this on your policy, but you need to know about it and you need to know exactly how much you have, because a lot of people just slide that in there. They don't tell you what it is and they don't tell you how much coverage you need. So make sure you're aware of it so you can go in there, advocate for yourself, ask the right questions, be empowered, and know what you need to ask and how much you need to have. The second part, how much does it cost? Guys, this is stupid cheap. Probably for $500 a year, you can get covered for an absolute ton of coverage if you have to shut your business down for an extended period of time. Yeah, $500. So check this stuff. Go ahead and add as much as you possibly can if it's possible, because it's stupid cheap and you will be covered out the wazoo no matter what happens. Okay, now this should go without saying, but you know me, gonna say it anyway. You need to talk to a garage insurance expert, someone who can walk you through this and educate you on things like business income coverage so you can know exactly what's on your policy, and if something happens, you can say, hey, John, what about my business income coverage? Is this going to help keep me in business? And of course I can say, absolutely, and that's why you have all this coverage for very little money. So go ahead, click the link below. Let's get you an appointment. Let's make sure you can have a conversation with someone here at Alliance Insurance so that we can make sure you're covered the way you deserve to be. Thanks, guys, and I'll be talking to you soon.